am Rakshita from MTech Computer Science and Engineering. I am presenting case study on simulation a wireless network with access point and mobile devices. First, agenda, introduction, need for wireless networks, problem statement, objective, key requirements, network topology, working, network configuration, implementation steps, results observation, advantages, challenges, and applications of wireless network. Then conclusion. First, introduction to wireless network. A wireless network is a communication network that allows devices to connect and exchange data without using the physical cables. Instead of using the wires, it uses radio waves to transfer information between devices such as laptop, smartphones, tablets, and other wireless devices. Wireless networks provides several advantages like flexibility, mobility and easy installation. Therefore, they are widely used in homes, offices, educational institutes and public places. One common type of wireless network is wireless local net area network. It consists of an access point also called as AP which allows multiple devices to connect and communicate within the limited area. Example WLAN includes Wi Fi networks used in homes, colleges, and offices. Next, in this slide, I will discuss the need of wireless network. Firstly, the wireless networks provides communication without the need for physical cables, making connectivity more convenient. Secondly, they allow users to move freely while staying connected to the network, which provides mobility and flexibility. Compared to the wired network, wireless networks are easier to install and maintain, reducing both time and cost. They also support multiple devices simultaneously, such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Due to these advantages, wireless networks are widely used in homes, offices, colleges, and public places. So, wireless networks have become essential part of modern communication system. Next, problem statement. The traditional wired networks depend on physical cables which restricts the mobility of devices and make installations more complex. So there is a need of wireless network that enables the devices to communicate effectively and efficiently without using the cable. The network should provide reliable connectivity between the mobile devices through wireless access point which acts as the central connection point. Next, the wireless network must be properly configured and tested to ensure successful communication and data exchange among the connected devices. The main objective is to provide efficient, reliable, and cable free communication. Next, in this slide, I will discuss about objective of this project. The first objective is to understand the basic concepts of wireless networking and how wireless devices communicate with each other. Next, the second objective is to simulate a wireless network using Cisco Packet Tracer, which helps in designing and analyzing the network behavior. Next, another objective is to configure an access point to enable wireless communication. Uh, it is aimed to connect mobile devices such as laptops, smartphones to wireless network. IP addresses are assigned to the devices to ensure proper communication within the network. After configuration, the network connectivity is tested, verified to confirm the successful data exchange between the devices. Next the functioning of the wireless local area network is analyzed to understand its performance and operation. These are the main objective of these projects. Next, the key requirements. This slide highlights the key requirements needed for the implementing the wireless network. The hardware networks includes a laptop or computer and the smartphone which acts as the wireless devices. For software requirement, Cisco packet is used to design and simulate the network environment. The network device required is wireless access point, which enables communication between the multiple devices. The network configuration includes parameters such as SSID, which represents the wireless network name, IP addresses, subnet mask, and wireless security settings using WPA2 and PSK to provide secure communication. Next, the network should be provide reliable wireless connectivity and allow devices to communicate with each other through the network access. These are essential requirements for establishing the wireless local area network. Next, this slide explains network topology. The topology consists of three components: the wireless access point, laptop, and second laptop. The access point acts as the central device that provides wireless connectivity and enables communication between the connected devices. This arrangement forms the simple wireless local area network, which used for communication and data sharing. The devices are connected wirelessly, so there is no need of physical cable, which provides greater flexibility and mobility. The access point also manages the wireless connections and ensures efficient data transmission within its coverage area. This topology provides a simple, effective way to establish wireless communication between the devices. Next, this presents network components and their connections. The first component is wireless access point, which provides wireless connectivity and manages communication between the connected devices. The laptop acts as a client device and connects wirelessly to the access point. Similarly, the another laptop also connects to the wireless network through the access point. All devices are the part of the same network. They can communicate, exchange data wirelessly without the need of physical cable. This setup ensures simple, flexible, and efficient communication among the devices. Next, this shows the network topology and flow of the data in wireless network. As shown in the diagram, the access point acts as the central device and broadcast wireless signal. The client devices laptop 1 and laptop 2 connect to the network using the SSID My Wi-Fi or college Wi-Fi. The access point has IP address 192.168.1.1, while the laptops are assigned to the IP address 192.168.1.2 and 192.168.1.3 respectively. The network operates as a wireless local area network using the 2.4 GHz frequency band and WPA2 PSK security. When one device sends the data, it is first transmitted to the access point, then forwards the data into destination device. The network connectivity is verified using ping command and other testing tools to ensure successful communication between the devices. The access point enables the reliable and efficient wireless communication among the connected devices. Next, this slide explains the working principle of the wireless network. Initially, the access point broadcasts the wireless network signal that identified by the SSID. The laptop and other laptop detect the available network and connect to it wirelessly. After establishing the connection, each device is assigned to the IP address within the same network. When devices sends data, the data packets are transmitted through the access point to the destination device. The access point manages the communication process and ensures the successful data exchange between the connected devices. The network connectivity is verified using the ping command to confirm that the devices can communicate successfully. Then wireless networks enables efficiently and reliable communication without using use of the physical cables. Next, this slide represents the network configurations used in wireless network. The network consists of one access point and two client devices, one laptop 0 and laptop 1. The access point is assigned to the IP address and laptop 1, laptop 2 are assigned to the IP addresses. The wireless network is identified by the SSID named College Wi-Fi. For security purpose, WPA2 PSK is used to protect the network from unauthorized access. A subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 is used and all devices are configured with the same network. As the result, successful wireless communication and data exchange can take place between the connected devices. Next, this slide shows implementation steps followed to establish the wireless network. First, Cisco Packet Tracer was launched and new network project is created. Next, the wireless access point and two laptops were added to the workspace. The access point was confirmed. The access point was configured with the SSID College Wi-Fi and WPA2 and PSK securities enabled to provide the secure communication. Both laptops were then connected to the wireless network using the configured SSID and password. IP addresses were assigned to the all devices and the subnet mask was configured so all devices belongs to the same network. After the configuration, the wireless connection status was verified to ensure that the devices were successfully associated with the access point. Next, the ping command was executed to test the connectivity between the devices and the packet transmission was observed in simulation mode to verify the successful communication. Next, this slide shows the results and observations that obtained from the implementation. The wireless network was successfully simulated using Cisco Packet Tracer. Both laptops were able to connect to access points successfully and IP addresses were configured correctly. The ping test was performed to verify the connectivity and successful responses were received from the devices. Both data transmission and no data packet loss was observed, indicating reliable communication within the network. From these observations, it can be concluded that the wireless network is functioning properly and all devices are able to communicate through the access point. From these observations, it can be concluded that wireless network is functioning properly and all devices are able to communicate through the access point. Next, this slide highlights the advantages of wireless networks. One of the major advantages is mobility that allows the users to move freely within the network coverage area while remaining is connected. Wireless networks are also easy to install because they do not require extensively cable, making deployment faster and simpler than wired network. They are cost effective as reduction in cables and networking hardware decreases both setup and maintenance cost. Another advantage is flexibility and scalability that enables new devices and users to be added easily without major modification to the existing network infrastructure. Next, wireless networks can support multiple devices simultaneously to connect to the same network. They are highly scalable. That means the network can be expanded easily to accommodate more users and devices as requirements increases. Another advantage is improved accessibility as the users can access network resources from different locations within the wireless coverage area. Wireless connectivity enhances the productivity by providing continuous access to information and resources, improving communication and overall efficiency. Wireless networks provides com- Wireless networks provide convenient and efficient communication environment. Next, this slide shows the challenges associated with the wireless networks. One of the major challenges is signal interface caused by the walls, electronic devices and other wireless networks which affects the network performance. The another challenge is maintaining network security to protect the network from unauthorized access. The network speed may also decrease when large number of devices are connected simultaneously. The coverage limitation may result in weak signal areas, reducing connectivity in certain locations. So, the proper configuration and efficient network management are essential to ensure effective operations of wireless networks. This slide presents major applications of wireless network. Wireless networks are widely used in homes to connect devices such as laptops, smartphones, and other smart devices. They are also used in schools, colleges to provide internet access for students and faculty members. In offices, the wireless network supports communications, file sharing, and online meeting to improve the productivity. Public places such as airports, hotels, cafes offer the Wi Fi service through wireless networks to provide internet access to users. In healthcare sectors, the wireless networks are used in hospitals to facilitate communications and provide access to medical information. Wireless networks have become essential part of modern communication and used in various fields. Next, the last conclusion. The wireless network was successfully simulated using Cisco Packet Tracer. An access point and two laptops were configured to establish the wireless communication. The devices connected successfully and the ping test is confirmed proper network connectivity. The simulation demonstrated the basic operation and effectiveness of wireless local area network. The project successfully achieved its objectives and showed how wireless devices can communicate efficiently without physical cables. Execution. Open Cisco Packet Tracer and create new workspace. From End Device section, add two laptops to Network Topology. Then from Wireless Devices, select and place one access point. Next, in access point, configure SSID as college Wi-Fi. Then set the wireless security mode to WPA2 PSK and assign the password. Then in laptop 1, in wireless setting, connect it to the college Wi-Fi network. Next, repeat the same process for laptop 2. Connect it to the college Wi-Fi network. Next, Next, assign IP addresses to laptop 0 and 1. Configure the subnet mask. Then verify both laptops are successfully connected to the access point. Next, in command prompt, ping 192.168.1.3. Then observe the successful reply messages that confirms connectivity between the laptops. Then simulation. Thank you.